Okay guys, so hi everybody. I'm so glad to see you, and we are just gonna to get started our work together. So how are you doing? So okay, we're gonna to get check it out for the whole treats right now. And I'm gonna to get started. Oh, work. Just have a look. I'm not in the black today. I have just already sold this. Actually have changed the whole my vision for this. Okay guys, so how are you doing today? Please just write here in the comments. I'm so glad to see you. How are you doing? Please just immediately just write here in the comments. It's gonna be so pretty good to get check it out this. Okay, so let's just as always wait for 5 minutes while everybody gonna join it to us. We're gonna to have a look how the treats are going, how it's gonna be actually working. So you are welcome. Guys, how are you doing today? Please just write here in the comments, and we're gonna to get check it out for this. This is our first stream, and right now we're just gonna to get actually talk about the very interesting moments for our work right now. I think so. I'm going to like this. But anyway, I would like to wait for 5 minutes for everybody to get check it out for the whole trades together. It's just gonna be actually working, and what are we expecting for? So guys, hello everybody. I'm so glad to see you. So, how are you doing? How are you doing? Thank you so much that you being here together with me. Exactly, that have no limits. It depends about the time, how much you're gonna to get choose for the withdrawal, and for this you're gonna to get actually wait how much for the time it's gonna be actually take it for the withdrawal. So if it's just actually being not a big one amount for taking off, so it's gonna be actually not the big one time for waiting, exactly for 1 day. It's gonna be actually change it like this. Hi guys, I'm so glad to see you today too. How are you doing, guys? Maybe you have any kind of the questions, please just write here in the comments. We're gonna to get actually look at this and work with this together. Hello guys, I'm so glad to see you. Guys, my name is Amalia. I'm so glad to see you today. So we're gonna to get actually, I'm gonna to change the title of the stream, which you have just already opened from the YouTube. And guys, who is just actually watching me on the TikTok, remember that I am providing the educational streams, and you're gonna check it out from the parts, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and today it's gonna be the 5th part. I'm gonna to actually change the name of this, and we're gonna to have a look how it's just gonna be working. So I think that everybody who wanted to be a joiner just already joined it to us. That means that we could just actually start our trade work. So let's just have a look what it's gonna be actually prepared for us and how we're gonna to get work. So the presentation, how to read a chart. guys, I wanted to get actually provide this on the streams only for you, for your study. Maybe you need to check it out for some kind of the questions. We're gonna to make the 128 parts of this work. So I think it's gonna be very interesting, it's gonna be very useful, it's just gonna be so pretty good just to check it out for work with this. Don't miss the chance to get try to work with this. So how to read a chart without the indicators. It's a very interesting part of this work, and today we're just gonna to get check it out for this. Because the price is already show us the whole information, how it works, like how you just use it to be with this. Your job right now is to learn how to read it. So this is being very easy. I think so that you're gonna to like this, because I have just actually think in very simple language. We have just already prepared this whole treats, how it's just gonna be actually looks like, how it's gonna be working in very simple language. So I could just actually look for this without any kind of the problems. Hi everybody, I'm so glad to see you today. How are you doing? Hi guys. So what's good you have to say? Okay, so let's just start with this. So guys, how we need to actually prepare our work. This is being like the most popular question right there when we have to start work with this. How I need to prepare the whole traits, how I need to check it out the whole work, what I need to actually start with for getting understood the whole moments right there, which is actually being just already opened for us. Guys, in very simple language, this is so easy, because start with the market structure. I have repeated this to you for a million times that you need to check it out from the structure, and only you're gonna to actually provide the normal one work. Because when you have prepared the normal one, technical analyze, everything gonna be actually taken only for the profit. Because you could got the strategy is actually being very important, because when you're gonna to get the strategy, you're gonna to get the perfect one strategy which really works, but you need to understand how this strategy works, like how to read the chart, how to control this risk, money management. Everything is important right now. So before looking for an entry, every time ask yourself, if you have just already started this work, ask what is price doing, and we have the 3 ways to check it out how it's gonna be actually prepared. You're gonna to see the uptrend, downtrend, or range, and this actually types we have to check it out for every single day, every single open time of the trades. You're gonna to check it out these 3 structures and the 3 themes of the trends: uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, buyers control the whole situation. About the downtrend, lower low, lower highs. And we had to talk about this for a million one times. Yes, I always just showing you. Right now we have the uptrend, and it's gonna be actually working at the top. Sellers control this situation, and when we have a range, price moves between the support and the resistance level. So no clear answer of this work. You're never gonna to actually prepare the new, even you're just gonna to work by the scalping, but it's actually in scalping you're gonna to see the same one situation. So if you're gonna to actually work by the scalp, by the long-term work, just have a look with this one types of the works. It's very important. Let's go. Read candle as a story, cause when you're gonna to check it out the candlestick for this work, or how you gonna to get actually prepared this whole work, you need to get started to read the candle, how it's just gonna be actually prepared, how it's gonna be working. One candle means a little, a sequence creates the context. So this is why we have to choose the time frame. So if you have to work with the 5 minutes time of the expiry trades, you're going to choose the same one time frame. And the example, the 3, 5 seconds, 10, 15, 30, 1 minute, and here we go till the 1 day. So you're gonna to actually open this and check it out what is happening in a 5, 1, 3 minutes with the candle. We're gonna to check it out for the body, wick, and how it closes. Body, distance between open and the close. This one system, yes, I always just say to you, just look at this body, it's just being very strong, or it's being very weak body. So this is, here we have opening, this we have the closed body, yes. Weak shows where price was rejected, and the close is strong close near the high low reverse pressure. Very simple one method to get just already analyze how it's just gonna be actually working. So let's just check for the next hour slide. Find the support and the resistance level. How we need to prepare this one work. How I need to find the support or the resistance level. I don't understand nothing. I don't understand how it works. What is actually the support and the resistance level? Guys, please just don't write me these one questions, because to understand what is the support and the resistance level, it's just being not that hard to get understand what is this, because this is actually being very simple to get understanding what is the support and the resistance level. This is the mark areas where the price repeatedly reacted, not every time it turned, just actually it's gonna be repeated. So look for multiplier reactions, strong reversals, previous 6 swings highs and lows, fast moves away from the area, think in down, not perfect lines. So here we have the resistance from this side, and here we have the support line. Very understandable type, I think so. It's just gonna be not that hard to get understanding what is the support and the resistance level. Support and the resistance, actually you could just actually remember about this, like so if we're just gonna have a look by this one work. Understand the breakouts. What is the breakouts? How we need to work with the breakouts. Very interesting part also about the work, because we're gonna to check it out, the breakouts from the, if you're gonna to use the strategy like the parallel channel, you could just actually check it out for the breakouts from this too. A level breaking is not ultimately a trade. Remember about this, because we have the real break, we have a false break, we have the confirmation of this work. Real break, what is this? Close beyond the level, false row. False break, price sweeps the level, then closes back line side, and the confirmation break for structure, monument, or the retest of this. So you need to check it out, what is the level where you could just actually wait for the breakouts. For example, we're gonna to check it out for this in the our practice mode. I think so it is gonna be very important for you to check it out how it works exactly from the practice side. So pullback or reversal, what is that? Context matters more than a single candle. Guys, please just make the screenshots or make the notes for yourself to check it out how it's gonna be actually working together, because very important to check it out how it's gonna be actually prepared for this work. So pullback, this is the trend is still intact. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, pullback continuation. Ask, did the previous structure actually break? Reversal move from this work. The sequence starts changing. Higher highs, higher lows, lower high, lower lows. This is how it's just gonna be actually reacted. A structure shift matters more than one red candle. Guys, please be with this work as much attention as you could. This is still very important for this. So guys, let's just get the next hour. Check it out for this. Read momentum from price alone. You don't need RSI even to see acceleration or hesitation for this work. How it works, yes, expansion, large candles, clean clothes, stronger pressure, hesitation, small bodies, long wicks uncertainty, executions, big move, rejection can warn of slowing momentum. So even you're gonna to get the RSI or you don't understand how to work with this, but actually the RSI is being very important. I also use this as actually like for the base because the MACD and RSI is working good together, so pretty good. Next, where is the questions before the entry? Okay, so a simple one price action process. How this gonna be actually working? Keep the process like the mechanical for this one work. Map trend plus key zones. You need to wait price reach your zone. Read reaction plus traction. Enter only after your trigger, and the protect stop invalidation plus risk. So, final of this work, price first, indicator second. You just need to get anything how it's gonna be actually prepared for the whole work and how it's just gonna be exactly reacted for this, because it's still very important by the building of the whole trees and how it's gonna be actually looks like. So please just give for this a much look, a much prepared situation, because without this you're gonna be actually never good and in the plus. Trend, structure, level, a reaction, entry. The 5 times to get actually give you the answer on your question. If you can explain why price is moving, you are reading the chart, not just watching for this. Practice on the historical charts. Market levels first, hiding the indicators, then review. And maybe on this one trade, we're just gonna to check it out how to work with the chart without the indicators. I think so it's gonna be very interesting for you. I'm gonna to delete everything from the trade. I'm so sorry. And we're gonna to check it out for this one for one more time, okay? Okay guys, so let's just check it out for this work. So as I had said before, we're gonna to read everything without the indicator. So I'm going to the indicator zone. I am gonna to delete the moving average, MACD, RSI, fractal, and the moving average is in form. So here we go. Nothing to check it out with the indicators. Very interesting how it's gonna be actually reacted, how it's gonna be worked, what we expect from this trades. Very interesting. So AD is the okay. This is the favorite hour for use. I am gonna to use the 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame, and the expire for this work gonna be stay the same one for 5 minutes. So, and here we go. I'm gonna to check it out for the trades. I don't even look first. I'm just gonna to get search how it's gonna be actually working and what are we looking for a good one bodies of the candle. When we're gonna to get check it out, the trend is being not that weak that it actually could be prepared. And how it's just gonna be actually working. So for example, I'm gonna to use the NZD GPY OTC. First, I'm gonna to get actually explain you why I have to choose the NZD GPY OTC, because we're gonna to get check it out for a pretty long strong candle right there. How it's gonna be turned next, it's very interesting. So and the GPY OTC, and let's just actually let it make much allow for this and check it out how it works. Like this is the downtrend, it's gonna be taken for the reversal downtrend after the pretty good hikes. Yeah, just have a look. It's actually have already come in the same one position. It was actually started to the growth and just actually started to falling and looking down. Exactly, by this one side, we could just actually use like not the indicators but the halving resource for analyzing. Yes, I'm gonna to use nothing right now. Maybe I'm just gonna to get show you for the next trade. I'm gonna to show you what is the parallel channel and how to use the parallel channel for analyzing. Right now I'm gonna to wait for 1 minute and we're just gonna to get actually check it out how it's just gonna be actually working together like this one side. Is it gonna be taken as a pretty good one downtrend, or it just gonna be taken for the recovery? It's also very interesting. So we're just gonna to have a look for this and look how it's just gonna be actually working together. So hello guys, hello, how are you doing? How are you doing? I'm so glad to see you today. Hi. Okay, so guys, let's just wait for this, for it's gonna to be there, and this is the 30 seconds to the end, and I'm gonna to open the next trade. Okay, so please just wait for this. Sorry, in 30 seconds, we're just gonna to get actually start our trade. So very interesting how it's just gonna be reacted for this work. I'm just gonna be actually ended with the everything. So here we go. So pretty good, guys. And I'm gonna to sell this for 5 minutes because I have just already checked it out. The trend I've just already changed this one reaction, and we have to start for falling down. This is the packet option, guys. I'm so glad to see you. This is the packet option. So okay, so let's just wait for this. What are we expecting from this one trade? How it's just gonna be actually working? So guys, how are you doing today? But sorry guys, we are waiting till the end of the hour trade. Okay, so we're gonna to check it out how it's gonna be actually ended with this trade. Okay, like this. Okay, so it's very interesting how it's gonna be prepared for the street. Are we gonna actually end it for a plus right now or not? I think so did, yes. Anyway, let's just have a look for this one. So okay guys, maybe you have any kinds of the questions or anything else where we have just already worked it with, please just write here in the comments, and we're gonna to check it out how it's gonna be actually ended. Okay, so okay, so let's just wait for this. This is the 2 minutes till the end. Okay, so we're gonna to get check it out for this one how it's gonna be actually work it, and I think so that's gonna be so pretty good. So hello guys, I'm so glad to see you today. How are you doing? How are you doing? How's actually everything going? Let's just write here in the comments. Okay. So guys, maybe you have any kind of the questions. Also remember to get joined to my Telegram channel. I'm waiting for you today. I'm waiting for you right now. So you are welcome. We're gonna to get actually work like this. Okay, maybe this gonna be actually taken as a loss right there, but anyway, we could just check it out for this how it's gonna be working if I'm gonna to change this. Okay. Hello guys. Hello, I'm so glad to see you. Okay, I'm gonna to change the value pair for the another one. Cat CHF OTC. Cat CHF OTC. Right now I would like to open this for a sale for 5 minutes, so that's gonna be the $500. So I guess I have to open it just for the 2 times, but anyway, let's just check it out how it's gonna be working. I have to sell this for 5 minutes. Cat CHF OTC sell for 5 minutes. Okay, let's just wait how it's gonna be actually reacted with the everything. Cat CHF OTC. Cat CHF OTC. Okay, so right now exactly I have just already said the same one strong candle. We just have the downtrend with the lower lows and accepted for the our trade. So Okay, so guys, we just actually gonna to wait for the 3 minutes till the end, and we're gonna to get fixed the plus. Can you just already imagine this? This is so pretty good. Okay, so as I had just already understood, you don't have any questions to ask me, yes? It's think a little bit bad, of course, but anyway, not that bad to look. So, guys, we have the 3 minutes till the end. Let's just check it out. What it's gonna to be. Okay, so let's just have a look. Let's just have a look how it's gonna be ended. That's very interesting. So okay, so let's just wait for this tree how it's gonna be actually ended. So we're gonna to fix the plus right now. Yes, yes. Hello guys, hello. So how are you doing? Okay guys, so anyway, this is looking as a pretty good work together. Yes, so let's just actually accept this, and we're gonna to have the plus right now. This thing's so pretty good, so let's just wait for this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the 5 seconds till the end, we're gonna stop. So this is plus. I have just already got the plus. So by this work, we have just already pretty good analyzed how it's gonna be actually working, and by which type you're gonna actually end it. But how much and how fast this was changing, I'm gonna to change this time frame and the time big spa for the 2 minutes, and I wanted to introduce you the parallel channel strategy, how it's just gonna be actually work it, and by which type you could just actually have a look and work also without the indicators. For example, the parallel channel, this is when you have check it out for this one kind of the candles, which is actually like the going for the up or a downtrend. Yes, so I'm gonna to check it out for the parallel channel right here. I'm gonna to actually choose this, and I'm going back and making the parallel channel. So I'm following the higher highs. This is one, and the lower lows. This is one. So we have just already created the parallel channel by which we're gonna to analyze the whole work. Right there, you could just actually see the breakouts, the changing of the everything. and how it's just gonna be working. So my proposition for you, it's just gonna be actually, we're gonna to wait for the breakout there, and we could just actually sell this for 5 minutes, or we could actually see the perfect one entry point for this because our entry point is just actually being right there. This is our entry point for work right now. We have just already fixed this. And what we're going to get in the end, we're going to get the plus. So here we have a little bit type of the breakout, but it's actually completely comes back, and from the down one breakout you could just check for this too. So this is how you could actually work with the whole promotionals. Guys, we have just already the end of our trade. I'm gonna be back in 40 minutes, so don't miss the chance to check it out and join to the our trade session too. So I'm gonna wait for you. Okay, maybe right now we're gonna take and with the last, because we just have already showed us the breakout right there. Maybe not. Let's just wait for this how it's just gonna be reactive for this one. Very interesting because it's very unexpected, so we're going to read this. Okay, so what it's gonna to be right now. So guys, we gonna to get actually on first the plus. This is adorable. So guys, thank you so much for your attention. We're gonna to meet in 40 minutes. Don't miss the chance to get joined. So I'm waiting for you, and see you soon in 40 minutes. Bye.